I needed to buy a new lower arm for my Mark IV Golf. One of the common problems that can have on them is that they strip the thread on the mounting point for the drop links. This one was bought from a company called Energized Customs, which was an eBay seller, and it actually seems to be really good quality. It only cost me £28, and if you have a look, just open the packet, the lower arm itself comes with the ball joint and is in very good condition, but the important thing is here that the thread on the mounting point for the drop link is actually got quite a good depth to it. So a lot of the cheaper versions that you buy on eBay, the thread is very thin and makes it very easy to strip, so causes obviously the bolts not to tighten up, so you can't fix the drop link to it. So yeah, this one from Energized Customs, highly recommend, well worth looking at.